In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete deals on HubSpot, and it's both quick and easy. If you're managing your CRM and find that some deals are no longer needed, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the deletion process step by step. It will take just a few minutes and you'll have those irrelevant deals cleared out in no time. First, let's log into HubSpot. You'll want to begin by heading over to the HubSpot website, easy to find at hubspot.com. Once there, locate the familiar login button. It's usually in the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If this is your first time here, make sure to have your username and password ready. Quickly fill those in and gain access to your HubSpot account. After logging in successfully, find your way to the HubSpot home. This serves as your base of operations where you can navigate through various features and tools that HubSpot offers. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is new territory for you. Next, you'll want to head over to the trial guide section. This can usually be found within your account navigation menus. Clicking on this will give you access to a deeper array of features specific to managing your customer relationships. Once you are inside the trial guide, look for the CRM option. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is the heart of your deal and contact management. Click on CRM and you'll be directed to its interface. It's here that most of the action takes place. Now comes the important part. Accessing your deals, you'll see a section labeled Deals. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the deals currently logged in your HubSpot account. Reviewing this list, you may notice some deals that are outdated or no longer viable. Identifying these is crucial before moving to the next action. To delete a deal, first, select the specific deal you wish to remove. Scroll through your deals until you find the correct one. Selecting it doesn't delete it yet, so you're safe to explore if you want to confirm your choice. Finally, the moment of truth. With your deal selected, look for the option to delete. This option is usually placed somewhere intuitive within the deal details or list view. Click on delete, and just like that, the deal will be removed from your HubSpot account. That's it. You've now successfully deleted a deal from HubSpot. If you need to clear more space or tidy up your CRM further, you can repeat these steps as necessary. I hope this video helps streamline your HubSpot management. Thanks for watching, and you'll find more helpful guides on our channel, so make sure to subscribe and like if you found this tutorial useful.